Hi, my name is Serwaish. Today I will show you how to convert a Figma design into a HTML CSS code easily. So this is my Figma design. It is a design of simple login page. I will be converting this design into HTML CSS code and running the file in web browser. Before starting, there are few things that need to be taken care while designing the page. First is that we need to use auto layout for the frames and elements present in the design. Secondly, when designing, the names of elements should be given in such a way that they are easily distinguishable, so that if we want to make changes in the code, these elements can be easily located. Now let's convert this design into code. For this we will have to click in this toggle button to enter into dev mode. In dev mode, search for Auto HTML plugin and run this plugin. We can see that code for one selected element is displayed. If we select the whole frame, the complete code for webpage appears in the code tab in right of the screen. This is CSS code, and this is the HTML code for the design. Now let's copy this code and paste it into a new HTML file. I have already created a HTML file with only script tag and body tag, as we only need this to paste our copied code properly. Now paste the HTML code under body tag. Now copy the CSS code from Figma and paste it under the style tag in our HTML file. We might need to match the indentation of the CSS code. This can be done by selecting the out of indent lines and then press tab button on keyboard until indentation is matched. Now save the changes and run the file. Here is the output web page. We can see that it looks similar to our design. Only noticeable difference is the mismatch of username text. This occurred because of difference in the font used in design and font present in my system. This can be easily overcome by changing the text width of the username text in the CSS part. Also, this is why giving proper nomenclature to the elements while designing is important. Now as we run the file again, we can see that now the changes are applied and our text looks better. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a like and share with others.